whenever you try to speak English, people laugh at you. Is it? I'm sure it is happening with you. I faced it a lot. And you all are guys facing this. Whenever we do something new, different, people come and laugh at us. That is very normal thing. So if this is happening with you, then don't worry. And here I have a so good explanation and a good story. Some points, hearing those points, I'm sure this thing, laughing of people, not gonna disturb you. So stay with me. Actually, we have three types of people in our life. One who have fear of your success. They think if you will do your thing in this way, you will make your own path, you will go ahead, you will get success. Okay, you will get your goal. So they fear because they have jealousy. They don't want that you get your goal in your life, you get success in your life. So such people laugh at you because they have fear of your success. Next type of people. These people have their own group. They think all remain same as they are. They don't want anyone go ahead, anyone make their own path, anyone make their own position, and anyone get their own goal because they didn't do anything in their life and they want everyone remain same as they are. So they are laughing at you. Are you getting my point? They are laughing at you because they did not do anything in their life and they don't want you do anything better with your life. The last person who laugh at us, they are actually our loved one. And if they are our loved one, then why they mock at us or laugh at us? Actually, these people, whenever other people laugh at us, criticize or do negative comment on us, they hear those comments. They hear that criticism and they feel hurt. They are over possessive people and they think you are their person and they don't want anyone come and comment on you. So they just want to save you from those criticism. That's why, lastly, they themselves start mocking at you and laughing at you and saying this is not right, this is not good, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that, this is not good for you, this is not good for your career. They start saying this and start laughing at you. So now question is that how you should handle these people. First two type, you just ignore them. Don't think too much about them. They don't deserve actually. Because these are the people who will come later on. And they will say, I knew this. You are so intelligent. I knew this. You will do this. And you did this. You are so good. I was 100% sure you will do this in your life. And you got it. They will come, they will appreciate you, they will give your examples to others. So just ignore these people. And lastly, the third type, who are your own loved one. How you should handle those people. Handle these people nicely, humbly, and politely. Try to make them understand what are you doing in your life is good for you, is good for your growth, is good for your career. Try to make understand that. And if they love you, they will understand it. And just keep on doing. Just keep on making your thing better. Go on. The day is not far when you will get success, when you will get your goal, when you will become fluent English speaker. So thanks for watching and please join me soon. Bye-bye.